Got our cold side piping mounted up, mocked up. This is just sitting here from when we had it mocked up. We're heading to the junkyard quick, and we're gonna go cut some holes, and then this thing will be coming up to the other shop in a few days once the ECU comes back from our tuner. This one tacked up. Whew, it's still hot. We'll have the truck up here probably an hour or so. Austin just went and got a bumper, GMC front bumper. And then Mike is letting us use his enclosed trailer, throw that in there, get the rest of the piping up here too with the truck, mock it all up, weld it up, go from there. Yeah. Swinger wide. Fucking man. What up, Poe? Alright guys, so we got the truck in the shop finally. We did that last night. We didn't really have much time to record. Everyone left and it was late. It was like 1 in the morning. We're gonna get to mocking up this intercooler stuff and get that all done. Austin's over on his phone. Those are on. Then we'll just gotta mock up a piece to go here, cut it here, drill a hole for our bolt, and then this baby will be mounted. Well guys, we got our intercooler all mounted up, bracket all done, looking good. Got our intercooler pipe mounted up so we can start doing the rest. We have to cut this pipe, throw our 90 in, weld that to it, and put a couple boots right here. And that side of the cold side should be done. Gotta run down and get a few more parts to mock up the headlights and everything, make sure it all fits. Well, getting the whole front end mocked up, and of course there's a change of plans. We had to flip the intercooler because we'd have to cut out these mounts for the piping to come through that connect the grill. So we decided to flip it, and then now we planned for this to come down and it would clear the hood. But now with it flipped, that's not going to clear the hood. So we're going to cut this pipe off right here. This will be our new bead roll, the weld. Stick that end up here. This will be out of the way. And then we'll go from there and run our pipe through here. We'll cut a hole right there and make it work. Same with on this side, cut a hole there. But yeah, it's starting to look sweet. Almost there. Fabrication right now, getting a bunch of stuff done. Getting the radiator hooked up on a 240. Alex going crazy. Gonna weld there. We're gonna weld right there, so we only have 2 boots. Looking clean. All welded up. Whoops. Man. How do you like it, Austin? Good. Good? Digging it? Hell yeah. Can't wait to get this thing coated. It's gonna look sick. That's our oil return for the turbo. We got that welded in today. Got the pan back in. We also had to shorten up our little U-pipe here to get the turbo where we wanted it. We had it just a little bit farther back and it was almost hitting the top of the header here. So now we got it back where we want it. Put the flange on there, set the turbo on top. We're gonna build just a little brace right here to the turbo. Well guys, it's the next night. Kind of ran out of stuff to do. We got that oil pan drain done also with the intercooler piping. Other than that, we're waiting on the reducer pipe for our cold side on the turbo, a V-band for that pipe, all that done, and start this thing up for real this time with the turbo on and everything. So that'll be awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to see more fabrication stuff, doing race truck stuff, if you want to see this thing, comment below, like this video, subscribe. Yes, that's a LS. Yes, that's a Nissan 240. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.